everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So in today's video, as you have read by the title, we're going to be doing a cooking video after a really long time. And this video is most probably maybe going to come out a little later because I have shot this video very early and I didn't have enough time to edit this video. So that's why maybe it might come out a little late rather than coming on the actual Friday which it has to come out. This is most probably gonna be my favorite recipes, and also this is something which I usually make almost every week as a snack. And if you have all the ingredients and all the materials, then it is really easy to make, but a little bit time consuming. So this is a recipe for a snack, as in like I usually eat this in snack time, and I don't know, you can even use this as a breakfast recipe as well. So I'm gonna be making a paneer sandwich in this video, and just to add on the sides, I'm gonna be making french fries as well. And this paneer sandwich is my original invention, and I just tried experimenting something with paneer because I love paneer a lot. I tried experimenting something with paneer, and this was the result which came out. And since then I've been eating this sandwich for snack time. I think this has been my snack from a really long time. I think for like 6 to 7 months, or maybe more than that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video, and let's get started.
So first we're gonna saute the paneer in a pan with butter. After they are all covered in butter, add turmeric powder, chili powder and salt according to your taste. I usually put half a teaspoon and then continue to saute. Turn off the flame once they're all covered in the powder. Start boiling the corn so that they are cooked. I usually put the corn in a bowl of boiling water so they soften and are not freezed, and then keep it aside for some time. Now place bread slices on a plate and add ketchup or pizza sauce. Depends on your preference. I usually add pizza sauce and then spread it throughout the slice. Now keep them aside. Next, drain the water from the bowl of corn and add the paneer into it, and then add a sauce which suits your taste. I've added a tandoori mayo sauce here. You can add anything except ketchup because it will taste really bad with ketchup. Mix it properly so that everything is combined. Now start adding the mixture to the plain slice of bread and spread it all over the slice. Add some cheese above the mixture. I usually add a cheese slice for one sandwich, but I made this one with lesser cheese, so I've added mozzarella cheese here. Add a layer of butter or oil on the toaster so that the sandwich doesn't stick, and toast it for as long as you want. Now cut it into half so that it's easier to eat, and serve it with fries and ketchup.
So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the cooking session of this video. The sandwich can consist of any type of sauces or any type of toppings you want to put in the sandwich. I just haven't put anything extra because it will get really extra filled. So I've just put paneer and corn, and that combination is just really good. So if you want to add some capsicum or onion or anything, you can definitely add them in your mixture. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you liked the cooking session of this video, and I hope you liked the recipe which I had made. Please do let me know in the comments below if you have tried it and if you liked it a lot as well. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel below. Also, there is a lot of content coming in the coming few weeks, and I hope you all subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. If you do so, my videos are gonna be pushed out to other audiences, and I'll gain more subscribers and more views, and it will help me grow. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.